This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your pub client and account. Make sure the game version matches the update that introduced spray paint, otherwise you won't see items. Once done, log into the exact account you normally play on so purchases and drops sync correctly. Next, open the Events and Store tabs and search for spray paint or seasonal giveaways. This tells you how it's being distributed now. Doing these steps prevents lost items and ensures you can follow the updated acquisition path immediately. You now pursue the active acquisition routes: events, store, crates, or mission pass. Start targeted missions that explicitly list spray paint as a reward and prioritize tasks with short timers. If available, you can buy spray paint in the store using UC or event tokens. Make sure to confirm regional prices and bundle contents before spending. Also inspect crates and your BP reward history, since some drops add spray paint retroactively. These options overlap. Finish by claiming and equipping the spray paint from inventory or the garage. You should assign it to a slot and test it in a custom match. If the spray doesn't appear, restart the game to force a server sync. Make sure your connection is stable and you're on the correct region server. If it still fails, gather receipts or transaction ID and contact Pubg support with concise details so they can restore the item. This covers the final steps and one clear troubleshooting route.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.